Welcome back, and now news from sports. Salgaocar Sports Club returned home on Friday afternoon with the prestigious Federation Cup. The Vasco-based club defeated East Bengal to lift the Grand Cup in Kolkata on Thursday and completed a fantastic season where they had won the I-League title in May. The victorious team received a thunderous reception at the Daboli airport.
Very happy to get this title for Salgaocar, for Goa, for all the supports and fans. The team worked so hard, we deserve it. God bless us.
So after 14 years, long years, what do you have to say about it?
It's very happy, no? Because it's always difficult to win the cups because we have to play against strong teams, but our team works so hard and God bless us so much.
Very happy for the club. This club deserves all the very best. The boys work very hard. A lot of credit should go to the players. We must also thank Mr. Shivan Salgaocar for the support he's given us and all the management. So I'm proud to be the coach of Salgaocar Sports. There is no magic. There is a lot of hard work and dedication from everybody around the club. So that's the fruit of a lot of hard work.
Following the I-League triumph, this was a stunning performance by Karim Bencharifa's boys. Salgaocar are truly back at the top of Indian football once again, and President Shivanand Salgaocar is delighted.
कलकत्ताक वचून ईस्ट बेंगॉलाक 3-1 हारोप तांचे 60,000 जवळ स्पेक्टेटर असता आणि आमची टीम इतली बरी खेळून तांकां 3-1 हारोप म्हणजे एक कृपाच देवाची. आणि दुसरें म्हणल्यार आमचो कोच करीम आसा ताणें ते स्ट्रॅटेजी इज व्हेरी फर्स्ट क्लास आसली आनी ताणें सबस्टिट्यूशन केलें तेवूय बरोबर केलें आनी आमचे प्लेयर कोच कितें करूंक शकता आनी आमी हांगा बसून कितलेय शाणपणां सांगूंक शकता पूण जे प्लेयर त्या ग्रावंडार खेळ्ळे ते आपले जीव दिवन खेळ्ळे.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar. Goa is getting ready for big-time rugby season. The national and international events will be held in Kampala in November. It will be the first big exposure for the Goans to this entertaining seven-a-side version of rugby.
We plan to kick off the rugby season with the Tito's Invitational Cup, which we plan to have from the 10th to the 13th of November, in which we have invited 6 teams to come. They are the best teams of India, and there will be a contest at hand which the people of Goa would have a great exposure to rugby. The Asian Men's Sevens. This is a very prestigious tournament which is part of the All Asia Sevens tournament, which is held in Hong Kong, Bangkok, Sri Lanka and many other places in Asia, and now the first time in India. So therefore they are planning to hold it in Goa. They have already issued a letter to us. The letter was scrutinized by both the GRFU as well as the SAG, and we plan to go ahead with this tournament.
The Kampala playground is concerned, though it is a multi-purpose playground, our efforts are to develop a nice lush green rugby playground on the lines of one that they have in Ahmednagar, which according to Colonel is supposed to be the best ground in India. So maybe ours could be the second best in India. We have already ordered for special garden soil and sand.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sunny Narvikar from Panji.
The Goa Football Association will go ahead with the Golden Jubilee celebration match in November regardless of the floodlight status. GFA General Secretary Albert Colasso has confirmed Zambia's readiness to play at Nehru Stadium.
With floodlights technicalities proving very time-consuming, the football fraternity was worried whether the unavailability of floodlights will derail the celebration match. But Colasso has now cleared the air.
As far as the Zambia match is concerned, Zambia has already confirmed their participation in both matches. Although the IFF has asked for a change of date, means instead of 28th, they want the match to be on 27th.
Okay.
So we are forwarding that letter to Zambia.
Okay.
But they have confirmed the participation, and that cannot be changed at this stage. So if the floodlights are not ready, we will go ahead and have the matches during daytime.
Okay.
Fortunately, at that time of the year, the temperature is not so bad.
Okay. And have they waived off their appearance charges, because that is something that
we are still negotiating the terms with them.
Okay.
Terms have not been finalized. We are using the good offices of the parent company of Salgaocar Vedanta who have been instrumental in arranging this Zambia's visit to Goa.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.